with a mind and heart full of gratitude, experiencing the boundless grace of Paramatma in the form of this beautiful Sunday, the 24th of May 2020. We do not know how many generations have been born in this earth. As per science, 40,000 generations of human beings have gone. We are in the 41st, maybe 40,000th generation here. And taking that one generation, father and mother and then the child, about 25 years if you take one generation. So we have passed 10 lakhs of human civilization, human years. 10 lakhs of years we have passed now, as per astronomical and scientific findings. So 10 lakhs of years in 2020 is only 1 year. 2020 is 1 year. Out of the 2020, May is 1 month. Out of the 24th is one date. So you see, the insignificant human being becomes significant. How significant he becomes? He is able to think about 10 lakhs just by closing his eyes. Then go back, you can see those generations of people coming and going. 10 lakhs of years have passed. Imagine 10 lakhs of years. That too I am not talking about on base of any scriptures. It is only based upon many astronomical scientists, what you call as, people who have studied the space, people who have studied the archaeological finds, based on them, based on their study. So 10 lakhs of years have passed. And Anjaneya or Hanuman is Charon Yuga Partap Tumara. 4,32,000 years is only this Kali Yuga. In this Kali Yuga, we have passed now only 5,123 years. In this Kali Yuga, we have passed only 5,123 years. So 4,32,000 years, how much still balance? 4,27,000 years still balance. Before this, already 10 lakhs years have gone, and one Treta Yuga is 8,64,000 years. When Treta Yuga has gone, Sri Ram has come and gone. Dwapar Yuga. Dwapar Yuga has come and gone. Then before that, Treta Yuga 3 times Kali Yuga. 12,96,000 years. So like this, time has passed. Kalo gacchati paschyatam pratidinam. Kalo gacchati, time is passing. But our life is meaningful because we can close our eyes and then think of all the beautiful things what we have till today, what all God has given us. And today's special occasion of being able to chant the Hanuman Chalisa once again. So we offer our gratitude first and foremost at the lotus feet of Hanuman. Once again we take up the Charitra of Hanuman in the form of Sankata Mochan Hanumanashtam. So yesterday we saw Bali ki tras kapis base girijat Mahaprabhu Panthaniharo. We know that because of the torment of Bali, Sugriva was residing on the Rishyamukha Parvata, and when Sri Ram Lakshman came in search of Sita, they happened to pass that side, and Hanuman was taking care of the security. So he comes in the form of a Brahman, meets them, and then Ram is very much pleased with Hanuman's wonderful personality. So he consents to go to meet Sugriva, and then they go and meet Sugriva, and then there is a pact. So, ko nahi janat hai jag mein kapi sankat mochan naam. After that, what happens? Sugriva is now giving an order. Sugriva says, because the pact has been signed, Ram and Sugriva are going to work together now. Sugriva is going to be helped by Sri Ram to get back his kingdom, and Sri Ram is going to be helped by Sugriva to find Sita. So, Sugriva has given the order. Angad ke sang len gaye siya khoj kapi siya ben ucharo. So Sugriva has given the order, Angad, now you and all the kapis, all of you go, and then now find Sita. Angad ke sang len gaye siya khoj. Siya means Sita. Sita ko khoj ke lao. Siya khoj kapis Sugriva. Ya ben ucharo, ya bayan, ya order he has given. Jivat na bachi ho hum so jo binasu dilaye iha pagudaro. None of you will be alive if you come back without information about Sita. Jivat na bachi ho hamso ju bina sudhi laye. Sudhi mane information, news. Sudhi mane news. Jo bina sudhi laye iha pagudhar. If you keep your foot here without the news of Sita, you'll have to face death sentence. Heri thake tat sindhu sabe. Heri thake tat sindhu sabe tab laye sudhi. Siya sudhi prana ubaro. All of them searching. They ultimately reach the shore of the ocean. They have reached the southernmost point of Bharat. They have reached the southernmost point of Bharat, Dhanushkoti. And in Dhanushkoti now they do not know where to go. They do not know where to go. So then only they get the information from Jatayu. Jatayu, a very huge falcon, has come and given them information that Jatayu has seen Sampati. Sampati is his brother. Sampati has seen Ravan carrying Sita to Lanka. So then once they are clear, then who is going to now cross the ocean and find out the details? So now everybody is discussing. Is anybody capable? The oldest among these entire Kapi Sainya and Bhalu Sainya, Reach Sainya, is Jambavan. So Jambavan is very, very extremely powerful person. So he says, I have now become old, otherwise I would have jumped and gone that side and seen. Then the son of Bali, Angad, they ask, Angad, what about you? He is also very strong. He says, I have got the confidence of going, but I don't know whether I will come back. Then Hanuman is there sitting. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram. Hanuman is sitting and doing jap there. Hanuman is not at all reacting. Then Jambavan goes and says, tell Hanuman, Hanuman, what about you, Hanuman? आप बताइए मुझे क्या करना है? तो तुम तो बहुत बलवान हो. तुम तो बहुत बलवान हो. तुम जानते नहीं हो. तुम जब छोटे थे, when you were small, you had eaten the sun. He reminds, Jambavan reminds Hanuman of his power. And Jambavan reminds him because Hanuman had got a curse from the Devatas that he will forget his power. Hanuman will forget he is powerful because he had mischievously used it. Anybody, if you mischievously use your power, it will be taken away by God. You should not use it for mischief. You should not use it for hurting anybody or giving trouble to anybody. So Hanuman had used it. Therefore, Hanuman has to forget this power. And the curse was like this, that if somebody reminds you for a good cause, you will come back, you will get back that power. So Jambavan reminds Hanuman of the power. Hanuman says, aha, yes, I recollect. Jai Sri Ram. Immediately he says, Jai Sri Ram. Then body becomes bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, becomes very powerful. And he says, yes, I will go and. So Angad ke sang len gaye siya khoj kapi siya ben ucharo jivat na bachi ho hamso jubinasu dilaye iha paguda heri thake tat sindhu sabe tab laye siya sudhi. तब लाए सिया सुधी प्राण उबारो. हम सब लोगों के everybody saved the lives of so many people. को नहीं जानते हैं जग में कपि संकट मोचन नाम तियार. Who does not know, O Hanuman, your wonderful name which removes all difficulties? So be with us. Hari Om Tat Sat.